So there are some circuits which are going to be called as FT doublers. So when the bandwidth is going to be the only constraint for me, I have to double my FT. For that, what is the possibility? So the formula for FT looks like this. So 2 pi FT equal to GM by CGS plus CGD. So if you, by some chance you can decrease the capacitance, then you can say that FT will increase. So all devices, theoretically, we want all devices to have larger FT. So larger FT means it can help in high frequency operation of the device. So there we are going to have a differential pair which is going to be used as an FT doubler. So it is going to double the FT value so that you can operate the device at a very high frequency. So see here FT doublers. So you're going to have differential amplifiers. So differential amplifier, the output current is difference of the current of flowing through the each stage, and output voltage is difference of voltage. If you measure V0 will be equal to V1 minus V2. So it is going to be difference of the two voltages. Okay, and you have a bias reference current here, and you are going to have the input gate, and one more configuration is shown here. So it is not this is one configuration, this is second configuration where the devices are connected back to back. So the source of one FET is connected to the gate of another FET, and bias current is commonly connected in between them. But see here, they are completely independent. So two configurations of FT doubler circuits are possible. So they actually it is output is sum of the two drain currents. Actually, it is minus means plus of minus I2. So if the currents are out of phase, the sum will be additive. That is what they are meaning here.